Hi everybody, today we will learn how to express action in the future. So to express an action in the future, there are some phrases or some expressions that we can use. Let's check this grammar explanation. We use different verb forms to talk about our plans for the future, depending on what kind of plan it is. If it is for a spontaneous plan or a pre-decided plan or for an arrangement, we can use this form, will plus verb 1 or verb infinitive. We use will to talk about our spontaneous plan decided at the moment of speaking. And here are some expressions that we can learn. Number one is, oops, I forgot to phone my mom. I'll do it after dinner. So the future plan is I will do it after dinner. And the second is I can't decide what to wear tonight. I know I'll wear my green shirt. So the future plan is I'll wear my green shirt. And number three is there's no milk. I'll buy some when I go to the shop. The future plan is I'll buy some when I go to the shop. And number four is we have a tour program every year. We will visit Lake Toba next month. So the future plan is we will visit Lake Toba next month. And number five is they study very hard in school. They will have examination next week. The future plan in the sentence is they will have examination next week. And then to express a future plan, we can use going to or to be going to. We use going to talk about plans decided before the moment of speaking. Let's check these examples. Number one, I'm going to phone mom after dinner. I told her I'd call at 8 o'clock. So the expression of future plan is I'm going to phone mom. And number two is she's going to wear her black dress tonight. She's going to go to the supermarket after work. So the future plan expression is she's going to go to the supermarket after work. And number three is they're going to start the meeting. Everybody has come. The future plan in the sentence is they're going to start the meeting. And number four is he's going to call the police. Everybody is worried about the condition. So the future plan in the sentence is he's going to call the police. Next, to express a future plan, we can also use to be about to plus verb 1 or verb infinitive. To be about to is to express intentions or events that are going to happen in the immediate future, which means very soon. The first expression is I'm sorry, I don't have time. I'm about to leave. So the future plan is I'm about to leave. And number two is she's about to perform on stage. Her turn is in 5 minutes. And number three is he's about to call his parents because he is in danger. So let's check. The future plan is he's about to call his parents. And number four is let's go now. The show is about to start. So the plan is the show is about to start. Next, to express a future plan, we can also use the present continuous tense. We usually use the present continuous tense when the plan is an arrangement and it is already confirmed. And we know the time and the place. For example, I'm meeting Jane at 8 o'clock on Saturday. And the second, we're having a party next Saturday. Would you like to join? Next, are you doing anything interesting this weekend? Next, I'm doing my homework this evening. And then, I'm starting university in September. So guys, if you can understand, you can type some sentences in the comment section. Or if you don't understand, please, it is free for you to give me questions or to ask me next topics that I'm going to teach next in my video, so that our lessons can be beneficial and you can learn English perfectly and effectively. And if you think this lesson is good, you can share it to your friends. You also can share it to your brother or sister in order to learn English together and get smart together in English.